Hi friends, now I am going to discuss about one useful web application that is useful for who wants to convert their files into PDF and PDF files into any kind of format, or if you want to make any changes to your PDF. This is one application that is useful. By the way, it's not like a promotional video, it is just for information who wants to convert their files into any kind of format. Let's get into the details. Welcome to my channel, and if you want to kind of these videos, informational videos, please just go and subscribe to my channel and like and share, comment to grow my channel. Let's begin. Just you want to go to Google and just type like PDF to go. And I have that one. And now you can open this PDF to go. Here you can see the interface of the PDF to go. Here you can find all the options that you can use. If you want to convert your file to PDF, here the formats are here: PDF to Word, PDF to JPEG, PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to Excel, PDF to text. And now here, if you want to convert to PDF, there are options available: convert to PDF, Word to PDF, JPEG to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, Excel to PDF, EPUB to PDF. I don't know what is that EPUB, so let's check it for some time. And if you want to edit your PDF file, just go and edit PDF, merge PDF, split PDF. Just go and try it if you want to look all the details. And if you want to improve your PDF files, compress, you can compress, you can protect, unlock, change, repair, make PDF, sensible, edit PDF. There are so many options, but I think these are very useful apart from PDF. So now just I'm going to take one example from this from these options. Just I'm going to JPEG to PDF. A JPEG to PDF converter which also allows you to combine several JPEGs to PDF. Okay, so now just I'm going to check this how it will works. Convert JPEG to PDF. So the interface looks like this. You just want to upload one file here, just go here and choose file. When you press that, yeah, I have one image of file here. Here it's getting loading. Yes, now I have one JPEG file here. It's a size of 2.31 MB, and here remove file from task. So if you want to remove this file, and you can remove and upload any new file. If you want to convert it, the JPEG file, into PDF, just go and start here. The process is getting sorted and it will take few minutes. This process is going on. Wait, yeah, the process is done. So here the PDF converter. My god, file size is just in KBs. So it's only 298.56. Actual size is like 2.6 MB, something like that. So it converted into 298. So you can download it here from here, and you also have the option download zip file. When you press the download zip file, the file will be converted into zip. And so I'm downloading the PDF file. Yeah, it's downloaded. Just go and check. Check downloads. It's a PDF file, JPEG to PDF. The quality is also not bad. It's okay. 220, 236 KB. It's okay. And likewise, you can convert your files if you want to pick another file. Just go to all tools and you can select whatever format you want to convert. So this is how we can work with the files. I think this is very useful. Who wants to convert their files to PDF or PDF to any, and if you want to modify the PDF file, I think this is one useful web application. It's not the promotional video. I'm just making for the useful purpose. So if you like the video, please share, subscribe, like, comment. Thank you.